Dollar Tree is one of the best places to find items, whether you're looking for home decor, you're looking for beauty items, skincare, all kind of different things. And they have become the king, the queen of designer style items for a fraction of the cost, like really a fraction of the cost. And we always going to start out with the dishes, the place settings, different things. They have came out with so many dishes that are similar to those high-end style. This is one of the newer ones that they do have, and you can see the print is so pretty. And look, you can see that it is similar to a more high-end print, but they did their own little twist on it. So sometimes you'll get the exact print, sometimes you'll get the Dollar Tree twist on the print, but this one I think is so pretty because it's not just for spring, for summer. You can really leave this print up all year round. And this style has been around for a long time because you see people are selling like replacement dishes for old designer sets of those dishes. And then we have the lemon print. This is one they came out with before and they came back out with it again for the season. And it looks just like another brand, but Dollar Tree has it for $1.50 a piece. And then we see this one right here. Everybody was just gagging when this one came out because it looks so much like the other famous checkered print. And they had the full set. So right now they only have little pieces left of it. But they do have, just I'm telling you, always check out the dishes at Dollar Tree. They have so many nice options and a lot of them give that high-end look. Even though some of them might not be an exact dupe for other brands, they have a really nice look where you can save a lot of money and get that look that you're looking for. If you're looking to elevate your home, your place setting, and you want that high-end look but without having to spend a ton of money, definitely check out Dollar Tree. But like I said, if you're looking for a replica of another brand, definitely check out Dollar Tree because they are the king, the queen of replicas right now. The lanterns also at Dollar Tree, they have so many different styles, different things, and a lot of them give kind of that Pottery Barn vibe. Just they give like a lot of high-end vibes, and they are going to be from the plus section, so they're not going to be the $1.50, $1.25, but they're still going to be cheaper than if you were to buy it from one of the high-end stores. And right now, everybody is decorating their porches, different things like that, your entryway, and you might want to grab some of those. This vase, I thought it was so nice. Just the subtle detail of the blue there. They only had a few left, but I thought that one was a good one, and you can just put some nice stems in there, and you'll be ready to go. Another way to elevate your look in your home and save a bit of money is check out the garden section at Dollar Tree. So you want to work on that curb appeal. When you are working on your home, you want to work from the outside to the inside, and lighting, solar lighting, different things like that can really help the look of your home, and Dollar Tree has a ton of those. If you're going to be doing backyard entertaining, different things like that, or you just want like a nice cozy place to sit out for the season, again, Dollar Tree has a lot of nice solar lights and those lanterns, so you're going to be able to get those looks for way less, and they have a ton of different options. So like I said, if you're looking for something that is similar, you can find it at Dollar Tree, but you can also find just things that'll elevate your home style. Even in the kitchen section, I always check out the kitchen section, and I get a lot of items from the kitchen section. They had those new ones in at my Dollar Tree, and I love a nice neutral look. So they had a set similar to this look before, but I love a nice neutral look, and they have the wood ones too. So if you wanted something like with the full wood look, you can grab those at Dollar Tree. But yeah, you can get your kitchen utensils there, and they have other things too. But your kitchen utensils do kind of set off the look too in your kitchen because you use them a lot. A lot of people have them out. So that is something that you might want to look into. They even came out with a sheet line at my Dollar Tree. So they have like a little throw blanket. I'm only seeing queen size though, but they've had that. They have pillows, and they call it their luxury collection. Then we have the glassware I'm always going to get my glassware, different things from Dollar Tree. They have come out with so many different ones. So if you have like a drink station, your bar, even if you just keep them in the cabinet, but when you pull them out, you want something nice, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money on your glassware. And even at the low end price, glassware can cost you about, at the low end price, like $4 or $5 for a glass. So why not spend $1.50 and then you'll get that same kind of high end look? Food storage. Dollar Tree has some good options. They've come out with some new things. Everybody was going crazy for these snack boxes because one, they're good, and two, they are a discounted version of other brands. So you can get your snack boxes, especially for the summer when you want to be out. Like I said, I'm always going to check out the beauty section, the skincare section, and a lot of the replicas, the dupes at Dollar Tree for skincare, for beauty and different things, they're going to look just like the brands. So if you use the brands, I don't ever suggest just getting something because somebody told you it was a dupe and you should get the dupe, but it's a brand that you use. And so a lot of times I'll go on and I'll see a brand. I'll say, wait a minute, that looks just like, something that I use. So if it is a brand that you use, definitely check out Dollar Tree and see that, and hair accessories. They have a lot of good hair clips, hair ties, different things like that. You saw the double pack they had there. Just a ton of different things that you can get at Dollar Tree. And like I said, a lot of times they'll brand it to look just like the other brand, so you don't have a hard time finding it. And then the clear storage containers at Dollar Tree, love those. That is a Q-tip dispenser, and it is just really cute and something nice to add to your home. It's just cuter than leaving them out. And a lot of these, the clear ones, they kind of give me that. You ever go to the container store and nothing in the container store is $1.50. So why pay more for the same style items to do the same thing when you can grab them for $1.50? Always check out the cleaning supplies at Dollar Tree. This is one of my favorites. It's like not too many chemicals and things in it, and it gets the job done. And the packaging is cute on it too. So cleaning supplies, you can find so many designer style inspired pieces at Dollar Tree. And then another thing to elevate your home, picture frames. Get the right kind of picture frame, get the right kind of decor accent. And Dollar Tree has some of them you're going to have to maybe do a little zhuzh to and give it a little remake, but some of them you can just use straight out. These trays I love, they came back out with them. If you're going to use them like in a wet area, I would just suggest adding little beads to the bottom, kind of similar to the beads that are around the side. You put little beads on the bottom to give them kind of little feet, to elevate them so that they're not just sitting there and they don't get wet. But we use those in the bathroom. And then these right here, so the little easels, these are great. So in the kitchen, a way to elevate the look in the kitchen and stuff like that is to just display your cookbooks, different things. And for $1.50, why spend more when you can spend $1.50? Because most of that is going to stay covered. So grab those, and those come in 2 colors. And like I said, the picture frames are always great, and they come in multiple sizes. And you can see this one is a 5x7, and other stores for I believe it's a 4x6, charging way more for the same style. And the candle holders, the candles at Dollar Tree, they are tried and true. And a candle can be more than just functional for your home. Like, it gives you that good smell, and smell goods in your home are always great and a way to make your home feel elevated. But also, a candle can be a great piece of decor. So a lot of times when we're decorating, we're going to use candles, candle holders, different things. So they have a twofer. They work both ways. So you can use them for decorating, and you can use them to make your home smell good. So definitely always check out the candle section of Dollar Tree. A lot of the good ones are going to be in the Dollar Tree Plus section. And again, with the outdoor lighting, you can see Dollar Tree Plus has a ton of outdoor lighting options. that you can use. So like I said, you want to start from the outside to the inside. This rug is one of my favorites. It's not big, so it's not a lot of places in your home you can use it, but it has that high-end look, the print on it. You can use it maybe in your kitchen. You can use it a few different places, but it's not as big. I would love it to be bigger, but it's just small, but the print on it is so nice. Again, with the lanterns, Dollar Tree has a ton of different styles that you can grab, and a lantern is going to give you that Pottery Barn, that West Elm, that those different style looks, the candles. They have so many, and they have them placed all throughout the store because they have so many candles. And like I said, the candles are going to give that high-end style. And a lot of them at Dollar Tree look just like the brand that you're going after. The vases, the glassware, like the glasses that you can use and just put like a few of the faux florals that Dollar Tree does have too. So don't spend money on faux florals from those high-end stores, because a lot of those high-end stores sell faux florals and they're kind of expensive. And even though Dollar Tree has went up on the price, the faux florals are not $1.25 anymore. They are kind of expensive, but you can get them. Dollar Tree has some good picks sometimes. You get them from Dollar Tree. You can get them from on sale, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, different places like that. Walmart sometimes has some good ones too. But you can find some really nice ones. And because why would you spend $50 on faux florals when you can get them for so much cheaper than the seasonal items? So they have these little cute salt and pepper shakers, $1.50. We're in Sonoma. $50 for it. It's crazy. So yeah, definitely check out Dollar Tree when looking for seasonal items, because they do come out with some really nice ones. Then the crafting section, always check out the crafting section. So they came out with these new like bud style vases. So these are for DIY. So they're for you to be able to create stuff, but they really gave me like an anthropology, a West Elm type vibe. And you can leave them this kind of color and just put a finish over it. Or you can get creative and add like a bit of color, but they had some really nice options for these. And they had some little trinket trays too that you can grab. And then a little trinket basket or a bigger basket. That one is a good one too for that high-end style. And they come out with these and then they go away and then they come back out with these. But those are good options too to add to your home decor. And these are like great for like entryway tables, different things like that. So these styles, like I say, they're simple, but in a high-end store, these are going to cost you so much more. So even at the plus section where you're spending like $5, $6, $7, it's still a way better deal than getting it from the high-end store. And then we're back in the beauty section because I can't stay out of here. They have new nail polishes and just a ton of stuff. So always look over there in the beauty section at Dollar Tree. But Dollar Tree is one of my favorite places, like I said, to just grab regular everyday items. But they have become like the mecca of designer style items, whether it be for your home, skincare, beauty. So what are some of your favorite items to grab from Dollar Tree right now?